Hello, in front of me I've got Sony headphones. In this video I'll show you how to enter pairing mode. In the beginning, enter Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. And now, open the lid of the charging case. If it's the first time pairing, your headphones should automatically enter pairing mode. If it's not, while the earbuds are inside of the charging case, press and hold this button for 3 seconds. And your earbuds are in pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.